Are you tired of eating the same old boring breakfast every day? Well, keep watching for 3 of my favorite detox smoothie recipes that are perfect for breakfast. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so thrilled to have you guys here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, be sure to pause this video right now and click that subscribe button. I'm gonna wait for you. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite detox smoothies that I know are very effective when you're trying to lose weight. They are perfect for breakfast if you are in a hurry but you really want a tasty and convenient breakfast. So keep watching.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. To my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Finally, the beet detox smoothie. I used banana, ginger, apple, cooked beetroot and lemon juice. Beets stimulate liver function and are good for the digestion of fats. They also reduce inflammation in the body as they are packed with antioxidants. If you have found any of these recipes helpful thus far, please give this video a thumbs up as that really supports my channel. Also, check out my other cooking videos linked in the description. I will also add a link to my website in the description for the written version of all these smoothie recipes. Let me know in the comment section which smoothie you will try first. Thank you so much for watching till the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these recipes just as much as I enjoyed making them. And tag me if you make them. Just tag me at your guy Loreen. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you detox your body. What are your favorite detox smoothie recipes? Remember to check the description box for links to my other recipes and to my workout videos if you're on a weight loss journey or if you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite detox smoothie recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end, guys. I hope you tried